wondered what's hiding inside one of nature's most destructive forces? Let's take a peek into the heart of a tornado. Inside, it's pure chaos. Winds reaching over 300 miles per hour, dirt, debris, and sometimes even entire cars flying around. Scientists use high-tech tools to measure the temperature, pressure, and speed inside tornadoes to understand how they work. And at the center, the eye, eerily calm compared to the violent outer winds. So, what do you think? Would you ever get close to a tornado to see what's inside? Comment below if you'd be brave enough to chase a tornado.